Hi, I'm Professor Esther Dillard, and in today's Keep It Simple Media Cast, we're going to talk about importing media into iMovie. So the first thing you're going to want to do is go to iMovie. If iMovie isn't at the bottom of your screen, you can swipe down and type in iMovie, and you should be able to find iMovie and select the icon. Your interface will likely not have the same thing as mine does. I have one project that I've already completed, and then I have a blank project. You're going to only have a blank project. That means that little blank square with the plus button in the middle, that's all you're going to see. Select that plus button. We're going to create a movie from scratch. We're not going to use a trailer, so we're going to select to the left, movie. And we're going to have to put at least one piece of video in the interface for it to begin putting together a project. So let's just select one video that I've already downloaded, and I'm going to select that by putting the check mark and hit the button down below. It says Create Movie. Now this is what you're going to likely see. I'm going to close this out here because the last time I had it opened. And what you're going to see is the screen like this. You're going to see the video up top and down below. And down below is what is called the timeline. Your video went into the timeline to start the project off. If you want to add video, then you're going to have to select the plus button to the upper right corner of the screen. And it's going to give you media options. And that means moments, video, photos, albums, and iCloud Drive. This connects to everything that is not only on your iPad, but if you have your iPhone connected to your iPad, it will also get any of the photos that you share on your iCloud. So if you want to add more photos, now what you do is select Photos, and then select All, and then you're going to pick one of the photos at a time. You cannot put in multiple photos unless you do it at the beginning of the project. I'm just going to select a bridge, and I'm going to select the plus button, and it goes down in the timeline. If you look, the time indicator, or that white line that you see, it put the media right after that time indicator. If I put the time indicator at the beginning of my piece and I select another photo, let's say another New York photo, and I select plus, that video will go before that white timeline and the time indicator. And in the timeline, which is below, that is where you assemble your entire project with any video, photos, music, everything else. And we'll get to that later on. But right now, you just have learned how to import media into your iMovie project. That's all for today's Media Cast. If this helped you in any way, please subscribe to my channel down below.